My channel. I hope you all are doing great. As you read by the title, today's video is going to be about a product review. So recently I got my eyes on this product. So background of the story, actually my father got this product for my mother. It's a little kit which has 16 lipsticks in different shades. Shocking, right? So yeah, if you want to know my actual reviews about it, then keep on watching. So this is the cute little kit where you get every shade. So this is how it looks. It's very small. It's almost like the size of my palm, even smaller than that, and it's literally so cute. It comes with this kind of ribbon where you can like hold it, and it's giving like a purse kind of vibe. In this kit you will get 16 lipstick, but these are the tester kind of lipsticks, so they are like mini size of lipstick. But to be honest, I really like the idea of it. Like instead of carrying one lipstick or two lipstick, you can carry this whole kit and you'll get different shades to apply or experiment, or you can like mix it up. So that is the thing which I really like about it. Oh, I forgot to mention the name of the brand. It's from Just Herbs. This brand is known for using only herbal products. There's no mixture of chemicals or any paraben and anything which is related to chemical. That is the good thing about this company. The weight of this kit is 7 grams, and this is exactly how it looks. It's like I told you, very small, and in here you will get lipstick. Sorry, it's kind of messy because I have used every shade, I guess. Let me just show you. This is how it looks. These are like small lipsticks. So yeah, there is number on every lip shade. So they don't have any particular name, but they refer these lip colors with number. But I think if you're someone who loves traveling or who travels a lot, then I think it's a good option to try. Now let's talk about ingredients. So the ingredients they have mentioned are mulethi, shatavari, amra, cold pressed badam, and cold pressed draksha, madhuishtan, etc. There are so many herbs they have used, but I have mentioned few of them. And to give moisture to the lip color, they have used ghee and butter, which is again a great thing. To all of them, they have managed to create this kit and lipsticks, which I think is helpful in a long way. So yeah, that's about the ingredients. So all these Ayurvedic and natural formula provide moisture to the lips without any compromisation of glam factor. So now I'll talk about my experience with this lip kit. Basically, like I told you, I already love this lipstick and I'm obsessed with it. But it doesn't mean that it doesn't have any cons. I'll get back to it later. Starting with my experience. Basically, my father got this kit for my mother because obviously she's a teacher and she goes to school daily. Obviously she applies lipstick, so that is the reason my father got this for her. Because like I told you, it's great for girls or ladies who applies lipstick on daily purpose, because it's chemical free, so there is no chance of your lips getting darker. So I think that is the main concern why my father got this for my mother. But when I saw this, I literally got very happy, because why not? You'll get 16 lipstick in just this kit. Because I'm someone who doesn't stick to one particular lip color or one particular shade. I like to try lip colors. I like to mix shades and create my own shade. So yeah, I took this from my mother and I'm continuously using it. Literally wherever I go, I only take this kit. I don't carry any other lip color because I get every possible shade in this kit. So now coming to the cons of this kit. First is that it's not transfer proof, as we are dealing with this COVID situation. So we have to put on our masks for safety purpose. Most of the time, whenever I use mask, my lipstick is on the mask. So I think it happens with every lip color, not this. But yeah, अगर ये थोड़ी सी transfer proof होती तो थोड़ा अच्छा होता. But other than that, it's okay. The second thing which I dislike, they are not long lasting, of course, because they don't use any chemical. So that is the reason they don't stay long lasting. You have to reapply it after every 4 hours. And the last thing is that it's not smudge proof. Other than that, I like everything. I like every shade. They have included bright to nude color. But the best thing is that these are only made up of natural herbs, which is great. But I would especially recommend this to those people who apply lipstick on daily basis or who travels a lot, because it's travel friendly, and to the people who apply lipstick on daily basis because it's made up of herbs, so it's not going to harm your lips or it's not going to darken your lips, and it's going to help you in a long way. So talking about the price of it, the price of this kit is just 575 rupees, but It's always on discount. You can get this on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. It's available everywhere and I would definitely recommend it. And out of 10, I'll give this kit 8. Let me just show you some of the colors. It's like a brownish kind of color. This is red color. Oh my god, I love this color. Can you see? And I'm going to show you one more color, which is this. This is brown in color and its number is 14. Honestly, I'm going to recommend this kit. I know इसमें 2-3 problems हैं, वो भी major problems हैं, but वो हर lip color में होता ही है. But if you see in a long run, it's going to be very helpful. And the point of making this kit is that either you can use it that way also, or you can just try one color, and if you feel like you're liking any of the color, then you can get an actual size or full size of the lip shade. I definitely think it's worth buying. And if you are someone who are looking for different kind of shades and don't know which one to buy, then I would definitely recommend this to you, and I think you are really going to like it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.